Hey, what is going on, everyone? My name is Drake here on behalf of the UnlockBoot official YouTube channel. In today's video, we are tackling a hot topic that you guys have been requesting: how to factory unlock your AT&T iPhone 15. So if you have an iPhone 15, no matter what carrier it's locked to, if you're trying to get it to use it with a different carrier, all you have to do is follow along with the instructions that I will show you here in this video, and then we will then be able to use our phone with any carrier in the world. This is a very quick and easy process and will only take a few minutes. Let's get right into it. To begin, we'll need the IMEI number of our phone. In order to get this, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and open the dialer app, type in *#06#, and we'll get a 15-digit IMEI number. From here, we can record this, keep it somewhere safe as we will need it later on in the video. From here, we will head to our website. The link will be down in the description below to store.unlockboot.com. Once we're here, we'll go ahead and find the unlock section and find the unlock iPhone 15 AT&T service that we're looking for. From here, we'll go ahead and enter in our IMEI number that we saved earlier and click proceed to checkout. Following checkout, we receive an email from UnlockBoot stating our wait time, and once that is over, we'll receive another email that our unlock is complete, and we can now verify that the phone is unlocked by activating a SIM card from any other carrier besides the AT&T lock. And as long as we can send a text, make a phone call, etc., we are all good to go and the phone unlock is complete. We no longer have to do anything else, and our phone is now permanently unlocked with any carrier in the world. So that's it, guys. A very quick, simple, and easy tutorial for how to factory unlock your AT&T iPhone 15. If this tutorial helped you guys, please leave us a thumbs up as we would greatly appreciate it. Signing off, this is Drake with UnlockBoot. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.